Hey everyone, so today I am doing something really exciting that I've been waiting to do, that I've been looking forward to, and that is doing all my baby boy clothing laundry so that way I can put it away and share it with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the stuff, show you guys what I'm using to wash it in our washer and dryer, and then I'm gonna show you all the cute clothes that we've received and have bought in so far. For those of you that are new to our channel, welcome. My name is Lisa. I'm currently 30 weeks pregnant. I will be 31 weeks when you guys see this. And me and my husband do this channel. My husband's name is Brylan. We've been married for a little over 5 years, expecting our first baby boy in July. We're so excited. And we do all kinds of videos on this channel, pretty much anything lifestyle, vlog, and faith related. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But let me show you what we're working with so far. So I have all his clothes and laundry that I've been needing to do just in this little hamper. We got this hamper at Costco. It came in a 2-pack and they were a really good deal. But I also have blankets in here and stuff. I think I'm just gonna do his clothes today. For his laundry, I wanted to buy some special laundry detergent and supplies. You guys know that I prefer all natural, toxic-free products already, but I just wanted to go extra safe for his stuff. So I did place a Grove order. You guys know that I love purchasing all my cleaning and household supplies from Grove. I am an affiliate with them, so if you guys want to check them out and you haven't already, I have a link below, and I always have some sort of coupon code with them, so I'll have that again in the description. You can check that out, and just whenever you sign up and buy cleaning supplies through my link, you do help me out, so thank you for that. Again, they have all natural, toxic-free products, all different kinds of brands, and they're usually always the lowest price compared to what they are in store. So that is why I love using Grove. And I just can order things online and have it shipped to my house whenever I want, so it makes it really convenient. Okay, so this is the laundry detergent I decided I was going to try out. It's by 7th Generation, and it's their free and clear baby laundry detergent. And it says it's made for baby sensitive skin. And then I wasn't sure if I should get fabric softener or not, but I did go ahead and put this in the cart. This is the 7th Generation free and clear fabric softener. It's made for sensitive skin. This one isn't specifically a baby formula or anything, but this is like as good as you can get. And I know I'm not going to need to use this right now, but I did go ahead and pick this up too, just for the future when a baby is here. This is the 7th Generation Natural Laundry Stain Remover. I thought this would be good for when he spits up on stuff, poop stains get on things, whatever, baby mess stuff. So let's wash some baby clothes. So my load is ready to go. A bunch of the labels on the clothing were saying to turn the clothes inside out and then wash on the gentle cycle on a cold temperature. So I just started turning like all the clothes inside out because I figured that was probably the same for most of them. So I just wanted to add, I'm going to put my wool dryer balls that I also got from Grow Collaborative, I'm trying to juggle these things, and I'm going to throw them into the dryer just to help with reducing static and helping these clothes to dry faster.
Love will come your way if you start to believe things will work out right.
unfold and show you guys all the clothes. First we have this really cute Carter's bear onesie, and this is in the size 3 months, and this actually came a part of a set. Here is another little onesie, but this one is like these bro tank onesies, so they're just tank tops, which is perfect since he's going to be born in July. It's going to be hot, so I feel like these are really going to come in handy. This one just says little man. It's so cute. Oh, and you guys, there's one set of onesies which I love this set. It's that first onesie I showed you. That's part of that set. I have a 3-month set and a 6-month set. My mom got me one, and then my cousin Cassandra got me another one. And I'm actually really happy because Brylan and I love these onesies, so it's gonna be awesome when he grows out of the 3-month ones. We still have the 6-month size. And this is by the brand Lovable Friends, and this is a 3 to 6 month onesie. Just stripes, and it kind of has like an olive green color. This was a set that we got from Costco. I thought it was really cute. It has little mustaches all over it. Just a little sleeper. And this is a 3-month size. This is another onesie in that set with the striped onesie that's 3 to 6 months. And this one says Wild One and has little bear prints on it, footprints on it, which is so cute. And these socks are my favorite ever. I think these are the socks I want to bring to the birth center and bring them home in because they are so cute. They're little fuzzy bear socks. This is a little shirt that came with the mustache sleeper, and it says Milk Mustache. Get it? So cute. Guys, I cannot wait to dress him. He's gonna be so adorable in all these clothes. Oh my gosh. And of course you gotta have a pack of just some good old regular white onesies. These are the Carters. These are 0 to 3 months, so I guess these are kind of newborn to 3-month size. This is probably the smallest thing that we own as far as baby clothes. And I think I have 3 of these white onesies somewhere in here. Here is another onesie that's part of that striped onesie set again, the 3 to 6 month ones. And this one has little forest trees and then more of those bear prints on it. So again, just so cute. Okay, and then this onesie is a part of that first onesie I shared, the one that I have both a 3-month and a 6-month in. It's a part of that same set. And it's so adorable. It's just printed. It has mountains, trees, bears, little campers on it, teepees, polka dots. It's just adorable. And this one's a part of that same set, I believe, but this is the 6-month one. But it's black with white little outlines of bears. Again, really cute. I should have said in the beginning that we should have a cute counter for how many times I say cute, because I know it's gonna be like a million times in this video, but how else are you supposed to describe these clothes except say that they're cute and adorable? So here is another tank onesie that's a part of that one tank onesie I showed you before, part of that set. Gray with a little black bear on it. Also, any of this stuff that I can find online and leave a link for, I will try to do that in the description, in case any of you have little ones coming and you see any of this stuff that you like, or if any of you are going to baby shower soon. This is a part of that same set, maybe, I think. And it's gray with a little black lion on it. And then another onesie from that same set. This one is a white tank onesie, and it has little words on it. It says happy, little, cute, just over and over again. Oh, this is a fun one. So when Brylan and I were in Hawaii, that's where we did our baby gender reveal video, by the way. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll have it linked below. But we wanted to get him a little shirt, so we got this little Hawaii hang loose Maui shirt. And if you guys have watched any of our videos, you probably have seen Bri do the hang loose thing before, because he does that all the time. He does it in pictures and our vlogs, just all the time. And so we saw this and thought it would be perfect. We wanted to get the 3-month size, but they didn't have any, so we got 6-month because that was the smallest one they had. But still really cute, and we can't wait to put this on him. These little pants also have a top somewhere, and they're like little pajamas. These are for my brother and his girlfriend Kyla. And these are 9 months, so this won't be till later. But my brother loves Batman, so he got him this Batman pajama set, which is really cute. Okay, and then Brylan and I picked this up the other day at Target. I was gonna put it on our registry. I actually did, so that it would count towards our registry, but I wanted to just go ahead and buy it because I did not want them to run out of them, and they're so cute. It's this little romper, tank romper, and it has Mickey Mouse on it, and it says, "Happy, just add sunshine." I thought it was so adorable, and it's super soft. This is another set of just plain white onesies, but this is from the brand Child of Mine. Oh, it's still Carter's. But it's called Child of Mine, made by Carter's. Okay, next up we have the last onesie, I believe that's a part of that set that I have in both 3 to 6 months, and this is gray, a little gray onesie, and it says Baby Bear on it. So cute. Okay, I lied. There's actually one more onesie in that same set of the 3-month one and the 6-month one, and it's just your basic black and white strapped onesie. Then we have some little pants here, and they have little bears on the feet. Then there's this Carter's 6-month size snap up sleeper. Then we have some little black and white striped pants. And these are 6-month size, oh no, these are 3-month size. And these came in a little set, and they just have a little drawstring. They're so cute. They kind of look like little joggers. Another little pant that is 6-month, and these are gray with little black bear outlines, and on the butt it has a little black bear. It's so cute. Now, I don't remember what set this is from, but it's not that other Carter set that I was showing you guys. But it's white and gray striped, and it says Wild About Mommy. It is from Carter's, and this one's a 6-month. Okay, this next set I totally see us taking like fall family portraits in or something, but it's this little buffalo check gingham blue and white button-up shirt. It has a collar, and it came with these really cute black corduroy overalls. I think my mom is the one that got me this set for him, and it's so cute. And on the little overalls it says handsome little guy, and has a little bear on the patch right there. Then I did get a couple things at Nordstrom Rack. I was there and just wanted to look at their baby clothes, and they had some really great deals, and it's all like different kind of clothes you wouldn't find at any of the other stores. This is by the brand Joe Fresh, and this is a 6 to 12 month size, so this won't fit him till later. But it's just this blue long sleeve onesie, and then it has a hood. I just thought that was really cute. Then we have another Carter's onesie, and this is a 6-month size, but this one's a long sleeve onesie, and it has a bear that says "Hug Me" on it. These are some little baby shoes, and they're like gray and knit, and they're from Carter's, and they have little bears on them, and they're just adorable. Then I have another onesie that's from that tank onesie set I was showing you earlier from Carter's. This 3 months again. It's black and white striped, really cool and trendy. I have some little socks that go with that mustache set. We have a bunch of other socks that came together too. These little striped ones have some other striped socks, and then these socks with little crosses on them. We also have a hat set. So this hat's just like that onesie I showed you earlier that says Happy Little Cute on it, and it has little bear ears. And I have 2 more hats like this that came with it. There's this one, again with the little bear ears, and it's striped. And then it also came with just this plain gray one with the little bear ears. This was a shirt that I picked up at TJ Maxx, I believe, or Marshall's. It was either TJ Maxx or Marshall's, I'm not sure. But it's Calvin Klein, which I thought was hilarious. The original price on it was $50, but I got it for $8, I think it was. But it's just this blue hooded shirt with these little buttons, and this totally looks like something Brylan would wear. That's what we kind of want to do with some of his clothes, make him into like a little miniature Brylan. But this is 12 months, so he won't be able to wear it till later, but it was so cute I couldn't pass it up. Here's another pair of little 3-month size pants. They're just gray, again with the little drawstring. And I believe these pants came with the set that we got from Costco that has like the milk mustache stuff on them, but they're just these like blue little jogger pants, and they say adorbs on them. We're almost done, you guys. Hang in there. Just got a few more items to show you. So then this is a Carter 6-month onesie, and it's gray with little polar bears all over it. Super cute again. And then I have 2 more onesies that were a part of that set that was called Lovable Friends, the 3 to 6 month set. So there's this taupe brown onesie that says Happy Camper on it and has a little camper. And then we have an olive green onesie that has little campers on it as well and little stars. Then we have this little Mickey Mouse set. It comes with a shirt and a hood. This is 3 to 6 months, and then it has little pants that match it. Here's the little Batman top that went with those little pants for the pajamas. And then this onesie was actually given to us way back at Christmas time, like shortly after we found out we were pregnant. This was from, again, my brother and his girlfriend. And it's this Mickey Mouse sleeper. Really cute. It's like a Christmas onesie, and it's fleece, so it's super warm. Alright guys, we're down to our very last item. This is another onesie that I found at Nordstrom Rack that I thought was adorable. It reminded me of something Bry would have. But it's this kind of thermal long sleeve onesie, and then it has this tie-dye pocket, which is really cool. Bry has a shirt that's like kind of like this tie-dye color and blue and everything, so I just thought this was adorable. Right, so that is all the baby boy clothes I have to share with you guys. I'm gonna put these away in the drawers back there. If you guys do want to see how I organize the drawers, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will include that when we do our nursery tour. So be sure to stay tuned for that. It'll be coming soon. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments below if there's any baby essentials that you recommend that we should get, because that would be super helpful. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye! Get your